Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best car batteries of 2026. The ultimate picks for reliable performance, long life, and road-ready power. Whether you're a daily commuter who wants a dependable start every morning, an off-road enthusiast needing a battery that can withstand tough conditions, or someone looking to replace an aging battery with a long-lasting solution, we've handpicked the best options that deliver durability, high performance, and peace of mind. We'll break down key specs like battery type, cold cranking amps, and lifespan, so you can choose the perfect battery for your car. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and prices. Let's dive in and find your next car battery. For drivers seeking a dependable and budget-friendly option, the Mighty Max battery delivers consistent performance and reliability for everyday vehicles and light trucks. Known for its maintenance-free design and robust construction, this battery provides high cold cranking amps for quick starts, even in colder climates. Its durable casing resists vibration and leaks, ensuring longevity and safety, while its straightforward installation makes it accessible for anyone replacing a car battery at home. Users praise its dependable starting power and low-maintenance operation, though its slightly heavier weight can be a consideration for some. Overall, it's an excellent choice for drivers who value reliability without the premium cost. For those interested in cutting-edge battery technology, the GRENOE LiFePO 4 battery offers advanced lithium iron phosphate chemistry for superior performance and longevity. Lightweight yet powerful, this battery supports high energy density and extended cycle life, making it ideal for vehicles that require consistent performance over years of use. Its fast charging capability, deep discharge recovery, and compact design make it a modern alternative to traditional lead-acid batteries. Users love its long-lasting durability and eco-friendly technology, though the initial purchase cost is higher than conventional batteries. Perfect for tech-savvy drivers or those seeking an investment in long-term reliability, the GRENOE battery is a standout choice for modern vehicles. Motorcycle owners and powersports enthusiasts will appreciate the Autosesking YTX14AHBS battery, crafted specifically for motorcycles, ATVs, and smaller vehicles. This compact yet powerful battery offers strong cold cranking amps, a sealed maintenance-free design, and excellent vibration resistance for dependable starts even on rough terrain. Its compact size fits snugly into tight spaces without sacrificing energy output, making it ideal for off-road adventures or daily riders. Many users highlight its long shelf life and consistent performance, although some note that a compatible charger may be required for initial setup. For small vehicles that demand reliable power, this battery delivers top-notch performance. For riders who need a versatile and robust option, the Mighty Max YTX7L BS battery excels with its high cold cranking amps, sealed design, and vibration-resistant build. Perfect for motorcycles, scooters, and ATVs, it ensures fast and reliable starts under all conditions, including extreme temperatures. Its quick recharge capability and maintenance-free operation make it a convenient choice for frequent riders who need peace of mind on the road. Users appreciate its consistency and long-lasting performance, though its compact size means it's tailored to smaller vehicles. This battery is ideal for enthusiasts seeking dependable energy and durability for everyday adventures. Finally, the Renogy Deep Cycle AGM battery stands out as a premium option for drivers seeking top-tier reliability and longevity. Designed for automotive and recreational use, this battery features high cold cranking amps, deep cycle capability, and a sealed, maintenance-free construction. Its consistent energy output is perfect for cars, RVs, and off-grid applications, handling frequent use and deep discharges without compromising performance. Users praise its exceptional durability, dependable starting power, and extended lifespan, though it comes at a higher price point. For those who want the ultimate combination of strength, longevity, and reliability, this battery is the top choice for any vehicle. And that wraps up our top 5 best car batteries of 2026. From the dependable Mighty Max battery, to the innovative GRENOE LiFePO 4 battery, the compact Autosesking YTX14AHBS battery, the versatile Mighty Max YTX7L BS battery, and the premium Renogy Deep Cycle AGM battery, there's a perfect solution for every driver and every vehicle type. Which one would you choose for your car or powersports vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Be sure to check the description for the latest deals and grab the ideal car battery for your needs today. Thanks for watching.